Namaste. My name is Dimple. I am from Delhi, India. I am a Spanish teacher and I have completed 200 hours of yoga teacher training course from Vinyasa Yogashala, and today is my certification, hence I'm holding the certificate. The experience was very nice. Mostly I think the credit goes to the teachers and the batchmates, the classmates. So I've got, I think I feel very lucky that the classmates that I've got, they were fabulous. Hence my experience was very memorable. Yoga, I think I will definitely continue now. And my main aim was to work on my routine and, my health. So that was accomplished. So I'm happy about that. So yeah, a lot of thank you to Vinyasa Yogashala, and maybe someday I will come back for 300 hours yoga teacher training course also. Let's see, fingers crossed. Okay, thank you. Bye.